Alright, so here I'm going to solve two-step linear equations. So some things to take into mind is what you add or subtract to one side, you have to add and subtract to the other side. And same thing with multiplication and division. Whatever you multiply or divide to one side, you also have to do it to the other side. So the first example that we have here is 2x plus 5 equals 9. So what we want to do is we want to isolate that variable, which is the x. So I have to get rid of the 2 and I have to get rid of the 5. So you want to first get rid of the things that are farthest away from it, so the 5. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5 to the other side, because if I subtract 5 on the left hand side, it cancels out, and then 9 minus 5 is 4, so we have 2x equals 4. Now to get rid of the 2 from the x, since it's multiplication there, you have to do the opposite of multiplication. So you would divide by 2, and your answer is 2. And then you could go ahead and check your answers to make sure that you have the right answer. So plug it in wherever you see an x. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 5, that's 9.